Birds are going mad. And the main reason is just in there there's a snake eating a bird. I think it's a bird. Can't hold it still very well.